Rowserworld. Hey guys, and welcome to another segment of Browser World. So today, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to draw a picture of someone without being insulting. Okay, so what I'm saying here is, let's say someone we're drawing a face, okay, and she has, let's just say you look at this feature here, and some cartoon artists might say, oh, I'm going to make that hang out of her mouth, and they're going to really draw attention to that. So this is what I would do to draw that picture, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to use a black Crayola marker here. This is the Ultra Clean Washable, or Ultra Lavable. But let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to do our basic head shape here. Okay. Then I'm going to do my ear shape. I'm going to do very minimal. I'm going to bring forth all of the features that make her an attractive person. You see? So I'm going to put some little earrings here. Just how you get the likeness is you just always say, sort of like this or sort of like that. And then it becomes a little bit easier for you to draw. Okay. We'll put a little bit of the ear here. Once again, you just want to keep your shapes nice and basic. Okay. Now I'm going to draw my overall hair shape here, so I'll just make a little shape that does something like this. Okay, bring my shape around here, and we're just going to make a wiggle all the way down to the bottom here. Remember, when you're drawing a cartoon, you don't want to get too technical. Easy and basic shapes, guys. Alright, now we can get to the fun part, which is going to be the facial features, okay? So we're going to draw an eyebrow here. Eyebrow here. Okay. And then I'm going to draw my eye shape. I'm going to really focus on those eyes, because she has very nice, pretty eyes. And I want a bit of a downturn to those eyes, okay? I'm going to use a lighter line on the bottom here. And then I'm going to add her eyes in just like so. Put some nice long eyelashes. Once again, that's a very awesome feature she has. Long eyelashes. That's going to draw some focus in there, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and draw the nose shape. So she has a nice little button nose. That's a cute thing to draw right there. So we're going to make sure that we give her a nice small button nose. Okay. And now we're going to do the mouth shape. Now this is what we're going to do. We're going to give her full lips. Okay. And now I'm going to bring the bottom of the lips kind of like so. Okay. And now I'm going to add the teeth in, but I'm going to downplay some of the shape. I'm going to look for the shape of the front of the teeth, right? But then I'll come here and maybe I'll draw like a little bit of a line. Okay. Alright. Now you see how I downplayed that a little bit? So I was still able to get that likeness of her without doing a lot of trying to do too much. Don't try to do too much is what I'm saying. Just draw that picture, draw it nice, draw it like if someone was drawing you. Would you want them to put your teeth hanging out and all that kind of stuff? No. You want a nice, easy, basic shape. Okay. So we'll put some little shoulders here on our drawing. And now I'm going to go ahead and do some shadows. This won't take long. I'm going to use a little bit of a dried out marker here so I don't go too dark. And then I'm going to put some lipstick here. So remember what you want to do. You want to bring forth the desirable features, downplay undesirable features. You're going to win with this formula every time, no matter who you're drawing. You're going to love it. Especially the ladies. They love when you get their makeup and hair right. So I'm just about done here, guys. I'm just going to do a little bit of shadowing here. Okay. And this is a quick cartoon. Shouldn't take you maybe about 5 minutes to draw. Easy, basic shapes. The key here, my friend, is, let me just darken my pupils in, is not to try to do too much in your drawing. And you're going to win every time. Don't mistake movement with work. So guys, I want to thank you for watching the video tutorial. I'll be posting some more videos and tutorials soon. Also, I've been getting a request on how to draw elderly people. So I'm going to be doing a video on that here shortly. And I hope you guys enjoy it. You have a blessed and wonderful day. Oh, and don't forget to sign your work. I'll be seeing you guys next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.